are frolicking today. We're going to a coffee shop. We're going to maybe the largest half-price bookstore along with a coffee shop in there. We're going to this outdoor market. I got this thing with extra batteries for my camera. So, they're not factory and it's probably gonna break my camera, but we have another ascension fly. It's over close, you can't see anything, and I don't know which one's which.
Yes.
This one's cinnamony. This nasty table. Okay, let's see. I think this one's graham cracker. That one's yummy, but I don't know what it is.
Okay.
Maybe this one's chocolate? It's graham cracker, marshmallow, chocolate.
Hey. What do you think about them?
They're yummy. Well, these are little chocolate covered graham crackers.
Yeah.
I don't know about those for you.
Yeah.
Should we ask them? You wanna bite this marshmallow? You- We have what I think is graham cracker,
Agreed.
cinnamony.
Okay.
Yeah, this one is interesting. I thought this would be my favorite, and it's maybe my least favorite.
Okay. This is marshmallow.
I think so. Like, it has to be.
It's probably anything.
It's weird. It's like almost like not florally, but just something weird. This one is like Hershey's, which is good. I thought it was gonna be like mocha or like dark. It tastes like Hershey's chocolate. But it's like coffee and chocolate, you know?
I like that. Graham cracker.
The graham cracker one's yummy.
So there's juniors as well. You can see Noda. This is the guy that they think is going to be the next Max, but he's like 16 or 14. Yeah. We have a girly.
That's why I said of course.
This is a sprint win. This is the first sprint win. 2023. I know people were complaining because they got a lot of rookies in this deck.
Carlos.
Got little signs.
It's crazy that it says future star on some of these.
These are my favorites. Yuki Keeps.
One of his last seasons in red. Carlos.
So, Fernando Alonso. Oscar Piastri's first sprint win in 2023. So this is the race where everyone was passing out. And he picked this win off and beat Max and Lando. Lando came in third. And he beat Max.
Not too much on my boy.
But he beat Max. So what happened was basically he out-qualified him for the sprint and then held the lead the whole time. And he was like hunting him down. And then Max overtook Lando. And then he was like hunting down Oscar, but he was able to like hold off. And that was when people were passing out in the actual race in Qatar. And then Carlos Sainz. So in this season, Red Bull were undefeated. They won 22.
Oh, you mean the only other win from anyone other than...
Yes.
Okay, got it.
So in that season, in the beginning, like Sergio and Max are trading off, and then Max proceeded to win 10 races in a row, and then Carlos Sainz won Singapore, and this was the only race that any non-Red Bull driver won the entire season, which is historic. That was the car. So yeah, so the race where Carlos Sainz he had the strategy to give. I believe this is when he gave Lando DRS to keep them behind. And they were like, oh, and then, yeah. So basically to keep Lando within DRS to prevent them from overtaking.
Them as well.
Yeah, if I'm not mistaken.
Let me see what the back of the Carlos one says. Dazzling lights in the Singaporean skyline provide the perfect backdrop to Carlos Sainz became the first and only driver to break the Spanish speedster skillfully. Okay, alliteration. Led the way from pole.
Look at those scary animals.